In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an email account to Zoho CRM. To get started, open your Zoho CRM account and make sure you're signed in. Once you're inside the main dashboard, the process is quite straightforward, but it helps to follow each screen carefully so everything connects properly the first time. From your Zoho CRM account, go to the Setup area. This is where you'll find most of the account and system configuration options. Inside Setup, look for the Email section and then click on Email Configuration. This is the place where Zoho CRM allows you to connect and manage the email accounts you want to use alongside your CRM activities. Once you're in Email Configuration, click on Email. This takes you into the email setup flow. On the next screen, click Get Started to begin connecting your account. Zoho is designed to guide you through this process step by step, so just move forward carefully and make sure you're choosing the correct options as you go. After that, click Email again when prompted. At this stage, you'll be asked to choose the type of connection you want to use. Select IMAP. This option is commonly used when you want your email to stay synced between your email provider and Zoho CRM. It can help keep your communication organized and accessible from within the CRM environment. Once IMAP is selected, click Configure. This opens the setup details for the email connection. From here, select the email account you want to connect. Be sure to choose the correct account, especially if you manage more than one inbox, or if your browser is already signed in to multiple email services. After selecting the email account you want to use, simply follow the prompts shown on your screen. Zoho will usually walk you through permissions, sign-in confirmation, and any access approvals needed to complete the connection. Read each prompt carefully before continuing, so you understand what access is being granted and to avoid choosing the wrong account by mistake. As you move through the prompts, give the system a moment to load between screens if needed. Once the setup is complete, your email account should be connected to Zoho CRM and ready to use. And that's it. That's how to add an email account to Zoho CRM. If you're following along, take your time during the setup screens and your account should be connected smoothly.